Hi everyone. In question number 86 we have taken n number of charges. N number of charges moving in concentric circles, and when you consider one single charge q moving with a speed v in a circular path, then time period we have taken 2 pi r by v, then current we got qv by 2 pi r, like q by t. Then due to a circular current, what is the magnetic field? Mu naught I by 2 pi r. So mu naught I value, if you substitute qv by 2 pi r, so that 4 pi square r square. So here you will get mu naught qv by 4 pi square r square. This is the magnetic field due to 1. Let's take the same question. All charges are moving in concentric circles along the same direction, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Then all the currents must be same direction. Then all the magnetic fields must be same direction. Like for anti-clockwise current, the field is outward. For the clockwise, the field is inward. Now B1. What is B1? So mu naught qv by 4 pi square r square. Just I substituted I value. Sorry, magnetic field at the center is not 2 pi r. It is mu naught I by 2 r. So that it will just become 4 pi. So 4 pi r square. So no pi square, just pi. So this is the magnetic field due to first charge. Now B2 will become mu naught q into q is to q, v is to v by 4 pi, r is to r whole square. Again it will become mu naught qv by 4 pi r square, because 2 square cancel. Similarly, in next case 3 square will get cancelled, so that nth field also will become same mu naught qv by 4 pi r square. So that what is the total field will become B1 plus B2 plus so on Bn, that is n times mu naught qv by 4 pi r square. If they give the different speeds, then the value may change. But this is how you can understand the concept. That what concept here we are discussing? Same magnetic effects of electric current. The concept is again magnetic field, and here we are taking the concept that for a charge moving in circular path with a constant speed, there is some magnetic field at the center. What is that magnetic field? Now in the similar question, let's take the speeds are v, then 2 square v, 3 square v, so on, n square v suppose. Then B1 will become mu naught qv by 4 pi r square. Then B2 will become here 2 square. So 2 into 2 square by 2 square. So extra one 2 will come. So mu naught qv by 4 pi r square. B3 will become 3 times mu naught qv by 4 pi r square, because 3q 3 square v by 3 r whole square. So 3q by 3 square. So 3 will come. So on for nth one, n times mu naught qv by 4 pi r square. This is if the speeds are like this. So that the magnetic field now will become sum of all these, where mu naught qv by 4 pi r square if you take common, rest is sum of natural numbers. So n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2. So the inclusion of mathematics will depend upon the given question, given data. But when it is needed, then you have to understand that importance. Otherwise you have to go with the physics formula, physics concept. Thank you.